Say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Now I'm pregnant. What?
Oh my goodness, look at our little girl. She's not little anymore.
Look at it.
I thought she did this from the other side. I was on the other side. I know, me too. Wow, good job, Leah.
Because your mom takes you to the park a lot.
Yeah.
So she's getting used to the playground.
Whee! Good morning and welcome back to another vlog, guys. It is Father's Day weekend this weekend, and right now during the summer, Zayana's going to school on different days. So right now we're on a field trip for Father's Day, and hello.
Look right here. Look. Look. Right here, right there. See, look, who's that? Who's that? Who's that, Zalia? You see Ate? You see Ate? Hi, Ate!
That's not yours. That's your friend's backpack. Yours is inside the car.
We have the same one.
Go, run!
Run, Zay, run!
You have to do that, okay? You have to hit the ball and then
Where are you going?
Oh, thank you. All right, you ready, girlfriend? You ready? Playing shortstop? Oh, watch out. Go get the ball, okay? Go get the ball. You don't want to get the ball? Oh, go get it, go get it. What are you doing, Zaya? What are you doing? All right, I think we finally got her into it. All right, move. Get ready to catch it. Oh, grab it. Oh, tag him. Woo! Where are you going?
Leah, be nice. I don't know what's wrong with her, guys. It was like my worst luck at the park. Look at this girl. She's got a cut. Show them your cut on your lip.
No.
She's got a cut on her lip because she got hit by some chick on the swing. Horrible.
Zarana's trying to say that Leah's been all over the place lately, but we are at a place called Southside in Napa for basically celebrating Father's Day early because we already have plans on Sunday, and the food looks amazing. We have a horchata latte, and we have a, let me just show you here, the tostada here, the shrimp tostada, gravy, biscuit and gravy, and oh, that looks amazing, grilled cheese.
So this weekend, it's Father's Day, which is why we started celebrating today. Father's Day. Tomorrow is actually our 6-year wedding anniversary. And then the next day is at actual Father's Day, and we have a family party to go to. I actually have another family party to go to tomorrow. Very busy weekend. And because of like all the things that have been happening, like the weeks have been going by like super fast. You know, I'm really bad at getting gifts. Like, if it doesn't come on Amazon, I'm horrible. Or I'm just gonna go to one of my favorite stores and get you something that I like. So I got something for Jonathan today. And fun fact, I'm horrible at keeping surprises. Like earlier, I was like, you wanna see what I got you? And he's like, why? Because Zayan already showed me what you guys got yesterday, which is true. Zayana's also bad at keeping things a surprise. But I can't hold it in. I'm gonna show him because it's not really for him. That's a big clue already. Hold on, guys, be right back. So it's from Old Navy.
I actually already knew what it was the second she said, it's not really for you. I'm like, what from Old Navy would you buy me? That's really not for me. And I thought of the first thing that I didn't want.
That's why I don't want to give it to you on Father's Day. I don't want you to be like, really? This is my gift?
Because I already told her. I didn't want to do this.
But this is what we're wearing. This is what we're wearing on Father's Day.
On Father's Day. Wonderful.
One for Dad.
All right. Banana shirt.
One for Mom. Hey.
Oh my gosh.
And then, uh-oh.
What?
Oh. Whew. One for Zolia.
That's cute.
And then a romper for Zay. Yeah.
We are kid-free again. So
we do that?
Zoran may have mentioned, but today is actually our 6-year wedding anniversary. We've been together since 2006.
13 years.
So 13 years, yeah, that's crazy. So, but yeah, so to celebrate that, we are actually going to be eating at a restaurant called Tartine Manufactory. Our friend Mariel works here, and she's been working here for a couple years now, and I think out of all of our friends, we're the last ones to come here. But
we don't want it, we never have wanted to come with the kids.
Right.
We want to like enjoy ourselves. Y'all, you parents know what it's like to eat with your 2 toddlers, just like, you can't enjoy your food.
You
You're
really
just like
can't.
looking at them, and you're like, eat your food.
Yeah.
And they don't eat their food, so you're just like, no, I can't eat my food because they're not eating their food, and you're just annoyed the whole time. So we are gonna have a meal kid-free.
Yes,
Nothing
enjoy
annoying,
ourselves.
We're just gonna enjoy ourselves.
Yes. So we've gotten started with a complimentary toast because it's our anniversary, and then we also got started off with our cocktails. Our Mariel brought us some honey, cheese, hummus, beet hummus, and bread, and everything looks amazing. Let's see. There you go. Focus on that. They have a beehive upstairs, which is really cool.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, you know how we do.
We have some unexpected news. Not really.
Not news.
Just more something like out of
unexpected plans.
Yeah, unexpected plans.
Unexpected news.
Clickbait.
Now I'm pregnant. What? No. Just joking.
No. Not yet.
We talk about that a lot.
No, seriously. That's a topic that's always up in the air. But our friend Mark, who was with us, yes, our other restaurant bestie, who also works at a restaurant here in the city, hit us up. He's like, what are you guys eating? Why aren't you guys here? So he has invited us to a restaurant called Koi, C-O-I.
And we're gonna have dessert.
We are gonna, hopefully it's just dessert.
It'll be. I can't eat anything.
Yeah, I know.
My God, I can't imagine.
We were so full, but we decided to take advantage of the situation because we don't have many days where we can just stop what we're doing and just head on over. And we're gonna take advantage.
I want all the mom guilt though. I want to go home to my babies.
Mom guilt for like 2 seconds until when you're with them, and then you get pissed. But
I'm so full.
We are trying to digest a little bit, and Mark is waiting for us. So let's go.
Be right back.
Let's go. First course.
First of many.
Oh gosh.
So this is your first dessert of the evening. So it's a yuzu white chocolate mousse with a toasted oat sablé at the base. On top, it's a little play on lemon meringue pie. So there's a little lemon poppy seed and a slice of meringue.
said I'll go to
Yeah.
And in the center, you have a yuzu lemon cream. So we ask that you break open the dessert and mix it all with the sauce and eat it together.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
Daddy. Happy birthday.
Where's your runaway baby? Where's your sister?
Hey, baby.
Ooh, what is this? Okay, can I open it?
Yeah.
It says, for Dad, loves Ayana. Did you make this? Thank you.
See, I told you it was
Wow.
powder.
Oh. Is that your hand? Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's your right hand. Your thumb is right here.
Yeah.
And then you even came with something to rest it on.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
You can put on your desk at work.
Yeah. There you go. And then there's a card.
So yeah, you're missing presents.
This one's from you?
Yeah.
Alright. So,
And then I
Dad,
was free inside.
thanks for all you do. Wow. That's an awesome card.
What the?
He's opening the gift.
Wow.
Hey, this is a house.
It's a house?
With you.
Oh.
That's not for me, it's for Daddy.
Thank you.
Wow.
What is this? Oh, a new phone case. I do need a new phone case with the price tag still on. Ooh, best dad ever. That can go to the office for sure.
Yeah, that was meant to go to the
Uh-oh.
office.
Uh-oh.
Next to your new baseball.
Then...
I told you.
Ziana showed this to me the other day. She goes, Dad, look what we got you. But yes, happy Father's Day to everybody out there. Can you say happy Father's Day, everyone?
Can you say Happy Father's Day to all the other daddies?
Say happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Hope you guys had a great Father's Day. Are you doing my makeup now?
No, my face.
Leah, what happened to here?
Oh.
We came home and she had this on her forehead. That's up there. But I'm pretty sure
There's
it's nothing. Put that there.
Yeah.
What?
Did you put that there?
No.
She did. Like.
Wow.
You.
Alright, well I hope everybody has a happy Father's Day, and we appreciate you guys watching our vlogs, subscribing, and liking our videos. We'll see you guys next week. Bye.